While you can't force someone to love you, you can enhance your friendships and authenticity to naturally attract others. Practice confidence, be a good listener, and speak kindly to yourself and others. Embrace your passions and share them, as enthusiasm is contagious. Surround yourself with genuine people who appreciate the real you and avoid toxic relationships. Remember to smile warmly, listen actively, and show interest in others by asking questions. Offer help when you can, and celebrate the successes of those around you, as kindness fosters deeper connections. Ultimately, respect and kindness toward everyone, regardless of differences, will demonstrate your character and draw others to you.